Hey developers, today I'll show you how to use the Bolt's prompt enhancer to generate more accurate, cleaner, and faster web apps. So, let's get started. First, we need to know what is the Bolt's prompt enhancer. The Bolt's prompt enhancer, it is a built-in tool that automatically cleans, expands, and clarifies your input prompt to make sure you get the best possible output. So instead of a vague or messy instruction, it refines your idea and feeds a better version to Bolt's AI engine. The step one you need to do is to write a basic prompt. Start a simple instruction like I want to build a to-do app with a user login and this result might the basic output or missed feature. And then turn on the prompt enhancer. Toggle on the prompt enhancer interface usually next to the prompt box if it's available. And then the Bolt will automatically write it to something like this. Then all you need to do is to review and run output. The Bolt will now scaffold your project with a better folder structure, include a login functionality, and also add a basic task feature. You get a more complete MVP in one go. And the bonus tip is use Bolt suggested follow-ups prompts. After generation, use a follow-up buttons like add user email verification, make it responsive, connect it to database because each one builds your enhanced prompt. And that's it. That's how you supercharge your development workflow with Bolt's prompt enhancer. It's like having a senior dev clean up your thoughts before coding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.